Okay then. As we come around here, we're going to come to quite a big roundabout with, it's a spiral roundabout with lots of lanes going everywhere. And we're going to take the lane, or the route that takes us to Hilltop. And according to the sign, that's immediate right, so that's like a very cute angle to the right. I'm going to check the mirrors, signal, get my position, and make it easy. See, I'm not at the roundabout yet. I'm braking into second gear. I'm still not quite there yet, but I'm approaching this now in second gear, and it gives me now first because I'm slowing right down. And it gives me time then to look. So I'm prepared for the roundabout, and now I can look and I can see, and I'm waiting for not this first space, but the first safe space, and that's important. Moving on to the roundabout because it is now safe to do so. Moving into my lane, and this is a spiral roundabout. I'm just going to stop here. This is a spiral one. So all that means is once I'm in my lane, once I've decided which lane I'm going to go to or get into, then I'm just going to stay in that lane. And because I can see it says Hilltop on the road, then I know that it's going to take me off on that on that exit on the roundabout there. As we come round here though, you'll see there's two options for Hilltop, two lanes that we can use. We are always going to choose the left-hand one. So there's two here that say Hilltop, Hilltop. We're in the left-hand one of those two. The reason for that is that as you go around, at the point when it takes you off of the roundabout again, it means that you will be in a safe position on the road, and it means you won't have to switch lanes from the right hand lane to the left hand lane just to get back in on the left. So it's making less work for you, it's safer as well, so just choose the left hand one. Where there's two options, choose the left hand one. Make sure I stay in the centre of this lane all the way around, and you can see it says H top again, Hilltop. And that's just going to take me off of the roundabout there. And that just makes it very easy as well. This is a dual carriageway, but it says 50 there. Hi guys, just a quick one. Do you live in Nuneaton, Hinckley or Bedworth or around those areas, and you need driving lessons or just a mock test? If so, just send a text or a WhatsApp to the number on the screen. Don't call because I'll probably be driving. But anyway, back to the video. Okay then.